Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos we have covered up many of the things using React 18 and I hope you enjoy that all stuff which we are doing through React 18 and we have built many of the projects and learned about many things using React 18. So today I will be also telling you different project using React 18 and today I'll be telling you what is HTTP GET and POST request, how to get HTTP GET or POST request using React 18. You have just heard about that we are getting HTTP request from our user or from our server. So I will be telling you in this video how to get this HTTP post request from the user or the server. So remember to see this video because this video will be really interesting and I hope you will be understanding this video. If you don't understand this from start, so remember to see it from start to end again because this video will be really, you can say, interesting video if you just see it from start to end, and I hope you will be understanding how to just give HTTP request to the user or server if we are using React 18 or React.js. So just I hope you'll be understanding in this video, and if you understand this video and learn things from this video, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe on this channel, and after subscribing hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the future coming up videos as well. And also remember to share these videos which I am making because that will giving others help also so they can also build their own projects and own things which they want to build. If you are just watching this video for the first time, so previously I built many of the you can say I have just worked on many of the tags using React 18. You can check my previous videos which I have done using React 18, and I have also covered up JavaScript tutorial. You can also check that out if you want to learn JavaScript from start to end because that will also giving you help. But today we are just learning about React 18 like I'm telling you. So just we'll be starting with today's video, and today I'll be telling you how to give the request to the user or server by using HTTP GET or POST request. So just now we'll be starting with that and seeing how to use it from start. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building the project of HTTP GET and POST request in React 18. So just now we'll be starting with our project and seeing how to build this HTTP GET or POST request using React 18. So for building this, here I will be opening my VS Code, and then here I will be moving, and here this is my VS Code. I will be closing this. Now when you've opened this, just you have to wait a while till it will be opening. So here I will be moving. Then you can see this text editor has been opened. Now I will be moving and opening my folder. Like you all know that we were using app1 folder when we are working with our React 18 videos. So this is my app1 folder here. I will be opening, and this was my main file app.js in which we were working here. This was the previous video about forms in which we have built a simple form here. But in today's video, like I'm telling you, we are just building uh, HTTP post. You can say HTTP post or request here. So here I will be now running my command. I will be running my React by writing this command npm start. Press enter here, and then when you will be pressing enter, your React app will be running here. So now till it is running, I'll be raising all the code which I'm getting here because today we are not using forms here. Today we are using HTTP post and get request here. You can say HTTP get or post request through user or server using React 18. So just now it will be running. So now our React 18 app is now running here. So we have to wait a while till our React 18 app is running. Then we will be using it in our default Opera, or you can say our default Microsoft Edge browser, like you all know that. So just now we have to wait a while till our React app is running. You can also see we have imported app.css directly from here. So user can understand that this is the file from which we can just work with. But we will be using this app.js file also in this video. So we can work with our HTTP GET or POST request here, and we will be giving the request to our server which we are running here in this. So just now you have to wait a while. Just I will be saving here as well, so we can just get here good looking. Now we are just getting it here like app-1 at the rate 0.1.0 start. Then we are getting React-scripts start because it is now running this app1 folder here by using React script. Now I can see it is saying that node 10244 dev server on after setup middleware. It is setting up middleware and running it here, so we have to wait. So now you will be getting the here we are getting starting the development server. Now it is now it is starting my development server on my Microsoft Edge browser. So here I will be doing it side by side. Coding side should be bigger. Now you will be seeing that our browser is totally empty because it will be not containing anything. I have removed all the things here. So just we have to wait until our development server not start. So just now it is having a aqua color and saying starting the development server. So you have to wait until it will be starting our development server. Now it is starting our development server localhost 3000, and it has been started. It is saying that your local network is 192.168.108.108. So it is now running it webpack compiled successfully, and it is saying compiled successfully. Now you can just view it in your browser. So we are viewing it here. It is totally empty, not containing anything. So we'll be giving the request to the user by writing here import http. So here I will be writing import http here. So right here http like this, then I will be writing post, then here you have to now move here, then I will be writing http proxy. Here you have to write, then you have to now just write here a tag which should be like from, then write here react. Now you have to close this tag directly. Here you have to erase this thing, then erase from here as well. Then I will be writing import from, so just you have to move control Z, right here from, and then write here react. Then you have to close this. Here you have to now just write here like this import http proxy only. Close this tag here. Then when you've written this, save this. So here we have imported the http prop here. It is saying that it is not being defined here. So we will be doing one thing here, like I will be erasing this http proxy directly from here. After erasing this, just you have to move, save it. Now it is empty. So here you have to now write here http request like this. Then here I will be writing http request to the user. And if you want to give the user to the if you want to give request to the user, so here you have to move and then write here I want to give http request to my server, because we are giving it to the server, not to the user. It is saying that http request is not defined. So here I will be now erasing this http request which is written here, and using this http tag to just give the request to the user. Now it is giving the request to my http server that I want to give request to my server. It is the text which we have written, and we have just given the request to our user. If I show you here by moving to console, and after moving to console, you can see it is giving the request to the user. If you move to React development server here, so you can see now it is giving the request to the http server that I want to give http request to my server. This was the text, and through this text it will be giving the you can say it will be giving the http request to the user, you can see. And now we are just getting the http request to the user. Now I want to say that now we have to also get the post request here, because like I'm telling you, today's video is about http get or post request. We have just give the get request to the user, but now we have to give the post request. So I will be moving here in http. Then after this I'll be writing post request to my server. You can see now it is giving the post request to my server, and it is saying that your post request has been given to the server. And if you want to give post and get request both in similar or same way or in one time, so you can just do that. Here I will be writing http get or post request. Then you have to save, and after saving you can see we are getting I want to give http get or post request to my server, and it is giving the request to my server. You can see it is saying that global hook means it is defined the hook at a glance, and it is saying your server has been given the request to root or to get or post like this here. So you can see we have just written this text, and through this text we have given the you can say http get request we have given to the server using this get or post tag in React 18. And I hope you understand how to give http get or post request in React 18 using React 18. So if you want to see more videos like that, this was interesting video if you understand this. And just if you want to see more videos like that, so hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button and also share this video as well, so more people can learn about these things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future as well, because that will also giving you help. But remember to see these videos, because that are small video, these are small videos but giving you help moving forward. So just now we'll be meeting in next project with more amazing things, like we have just learned http get or post today. So in the next video we'll be learning about different things. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.